Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a meeting that was scheduled using booking calendars and explain what happens when a meeting is cancelled. So let's get started. When you cancel a meeting, the calendar event is freed and the title is updated as cancelled. Both guest and host receives a cancellation notification based on the notification settings. There are two ways to cancel a meeting. Method 1. Cancel a meeting from inside OneSub. For this, simply go to your OneSub account and click on Activities on the left hand side. In the Activity stream, locate your preferred booking and click on Cancel. In the box, type in your cancellation region and click Cancel Meeting. As soon as the meeting is cancelled, all attendees will be notified and the time slot will be made available. The second method is cancel a meeting directly from your connected calendar. It will work when your two-way sync is enabled. To check the two-way sync on your OneSub profile, click on the profile icon and go to the user integrations. Here, click on your connected calendar and ensure that both options are selected under the two-way sync. Currently, two-way sync is only available on Google and Microsoft. It is not available for iCloud Calendar. To cancel a meeting directly from your calendar, go to your calendar, locate your meeting, and simply delete it. As per your preference, you can send a notification to your client, or also you can select don't send. As soon as the meeting is deleted from your calendar, it will be cancelled within OneSub as well. So this meeting is showing as cancelled in OneSub. And that is how you cancel the meetings made using booking calendars. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.